Hi, it's Andy Lade. It's 15th of May. I did these the other day. I'm going to do them again. I'm starting off with a Fibble, which I find the most difficult of all. Either the N is in the wrong place or it's just not there at all. Or the E it may be in the right place, it's maybe not, or one of those three letters could actually be in there. So, right, let's pretend the N is in the right place. And what we just had clang in one of the squaredles, I think. Right. So that N could still be in the right place, and it could be that none of those letters are there at all. Well, I was going. No, I can't. No, I don't. Maybe let's do a word which has got 5 separate letters from all of that, maybe. So let's try. Oh no, I was going to say drive, but there's an E there. Let's try. Well, actually, let's try drive. No, let's not use a V. Let's do whatever letters I'm be used. We got ST. Oh, I know. Let's do dirty, which is one of my words I normally use. All right, we already used the T, mind. So right, so there's a D, which is possibly there, possibly not. One of those 4 letters could be there. If the D and the N were correct, it could be something like doing then, and that I might just be there. All right, so right, I think the D and the N are there, and I think they're in the right places. So we're looking at. I don't think the I is there. So one of those letters is probably there, but it's not the R. It's not the I. It could be the R, it could be the T, and it could be the Y. If it was the Y, it would probably. Oh no, I can't be dying. It would probably be there. If it was the R, it would be probably the second letter. If it was a T, I don't think it's going to be the T because the T was in there. So, and we're going to have to use a U by the looks of it. A-E-I-O-U. Which, right, well, I can think of one word, which is drunk, which is quite funny because the other day he was tipsy. So I was drunk. Oh, it is drunk. It was tipsy. And maybe it wasn't a Fibble. It was tipsy. Something was tipsy the other day, and now it's we got one that's just drunk. Right, Warmle. So the Warmle is, I believe, they're 3 letters. Within 3 letters of each other, is it? So that could be a P, a Q, an S, a T, a U, and we don't. Right, so let's go something S, and then that, right, N, O, P, P, Q, O, P, Q, or it could be an O. Right, let's do a word with an O in it. So we could have S-T-U-V, so we need, right, let's try rough. Right, so if it's not an O, it means it's going up, so it's going to be an S, T, or U, and then the R is N-O-P, R-S. Alright, so it maybe starts O-S or O-T. Let's try other. Oh, right. Oh, excuse me. Right, so the H-E-R, right? The T, so usher, maybe, or STU. Alright, so it could be usher. It is usher, right, so that's the Warmle, sorry. Quintessential, right, so the theme is fish. So, right, so the first word is going to be trout. And there's only one other T, which is Bavaria. Right. Right, I don't know what, I can't really think of any other ones other than looking at the letters we've got. That's going to be, I was going to say krill, but you don't spell krill with a C, you spell it with a K, don't you? Although it is actually right. Another one, though. Is it called a brill? Oh, right. Okay, let's put an R up there. 1 minute before I do that. Right, so I don't think there's a fish SAR. Right, let's use this one. Right, so yes. Right, so it's going to be either starting SAR or it's going to be AR something S. We haven't really got. Right, okay. I was going to say pass, but no, it can't be. And there's no E. In actual fact, there's very few vowels. There's an E and an O. And that's the only up vowels. So that. So one of them is going to be an O. So it's going to be TRO. Troll. So the fish, maybe as into try and get a rise out of someone. I think it is going to be troll. Right, okay. P something AT or sprat. Sprat, which is is actually a fish. So that's going to be a brill. And that's going to be, carps. Right, okay. So, right, troll, I'm guessing, is oops. Oh, right, wait, it's not let me get off that. Right, so Wordle Peaks, this is something similar to Warmles. So we're going to start off with sound, which is something I normally start off with. Oh, and the N is in the right place. So as you can see, these letters are all going to be underneath or lower than an S, lower than an O. The D is going to be higher than the D. So we're going to look for something which is right. So come on, say your words, and so I was thinking something ending in a T, an E, something. No, plant. Come on, Andy, you got to think of a word. Okay, let's put in. I don't really want to use the A because it's definitely going to be higher than an A. Right, so it's not chant. Oh, right. Oh, that's gonna be starting with an A or a B. So that is gonna be lower than an H. So that's gonna be, and the T is lower than a T. So it's gonna be lower than an H. Being, right? Wow, that was pretty good. And then the waffle. So that's gonna be pound at the top, isn't it? That's the only other N. You've got, that's going to be prone, maybe. Let's try prone. That is going to be every. No, it can't be every. There's no V here. Elegy. Elegy? Elegy. Oh. No, we need to swap it with that end, don't we? And that's going to be untie. Oh, come on, pick it up. That's untie. That's going to be the... it's going to be dodge, isn't it? And then that one is going to be outed. And that's it. There you go. That's all of them. 11 minutes. If you enjoyed, please do consider subscribing. Thank you very much for watching, and good night.